Today we are using our Elements Vapour Mist Medium Hold Hairspray. This hairspray is excellent because it is a brush out medium hold hairspray. It's simple to use, so what we're going to do is apply this to our pre-styled hair just to give it some flexible hold, and at the end of the day our client will be able to brush out the hairspray without any tangles. So we're simply just going to spray some of the Vapour Mist in an upward motion to make sure we're getting the under sections. And then we can also finish by layering. So if you were to do several layers of Vapour Mist, you'll get a slightly firmer hold.